The most significant event in the defense industry this year has just concluded, the International Defense Exhibition, IDEX 2025. Held in the final days of February in Abu Dhabi, this event remains the largest platform for showcasing cutting-edge defense technologies in the Middle East, and one of the most influential exhibitions in the global defense sector. This year's IDEX shattered previous records, with 1,565 companies from 65 countries participating. Among them, 731 were first-time exhibitors, and 7 nations debuted their own pavilions. The previous edition attracted over 132,000 visitors, with contracts signed totaling $6.35 billion. IDEX 2025 covered a vast range of defense technologies and systems, including weaponry for ground forces, air forces, naval forces, and air defense systems. Russia played a prominent role in this year's exhibition. Its pavilion covered approximately 1,400 square meters and showcased innovations from 48 organizations within its defense sector. Among the standout Russian military developments were the X-69 cruise missile, a next-generation, multifunctional, low-observable, high-precision missile, and the X-58 anti-radar missile, which made its international debut and drew significant attention. Also showcased was the SuperCam S-350 UAV, a cutting-edge drone demonstrating Russia's advancements in unmanned aerial technology, along with the T-90M Pro RIV battle tank, an advanced, export-oriented version of the modernized T-90M tank, described as practically a new-generation combat vehicle. The exhibition highlighted more than 3,300 groundbreaking defense technologies covering fields such as maritime security, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence in warfare. IDEX 2025 reaffirmed its role as a premier global defense forum, facilitating strategic partnerships and revealing the future of military technology. Meanwhile, rare footage has surfaced online, showing intensive FPV drone operator training at a secret Iranian military base. The footage, reportedly taken at a classified facility of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, demonstrates the country's growing focus on modern drone warfare. The video reveals successful simulated strikes on mock armored vehicles and fortified positions, telemetry data recordings confirming Iran's efforts to enhance FPV drone accuracy, and potential battlefield implications as Iran's armed forces and allied groups like Hezbollah and the Yemeni Houthis gain access to more sophisticated drone capabilities. Drone warfare is increasingly becoming a decisive factor in modern conflicts, providing nations that master FPV technology with a significant tactical advantage. The British defense firm MSI Defence Systems has developed the TRAW Paladin, an advanced mobile air defense system designed to counter drones, cruise missiles, and other low-altitude threats. Key features include a 30mm Mark 44 Bushmaster cannon firing up to 200 rounds per minute, airburst ammunition for highly effective drone interception at a 2-kilometer range, radar, thermal imaging, and laser targeting systems for 360-degree surveillance, and modular adaptability, allowing installation on mobile platforms and stationary defense positions. The American company Overland AI has introduced the Overdrive system, a revolutionary AI-driven autonomy platform for military ground vehicles. This system enables remote operation of vehicles without human intervention, enhances battlefield safety by keeping personnel out of high-risk zones, integrates seamlessly with command and control systems via an open API, and optimizes off-road mobility and tactical maneuvering capabilities. By removing personnel from danger zones, Overdrive significantly reduces combat risks and enhances mission efficiency. China is taking military robotics to the next level with UNRY G1, a humanoid robot designed to eventually replace human soldiers on the battlefield. Recent footage shows the G1 demonstrating complex martial arts movements, including kung fu techniques and spinning kicks. The robot has versatile applications, from combat to personal security roles, and is currently available for purchase at $16,000. While still in its early stages, an army of these robots could revolutionize warfare, presenting an unprecedented challenge in future conflicts. Serbia's Military Technical Institute has unveiled its latest development, the Milos N, an unmanned ground combat vehicle. Weighing 620 kilograms and capable of reaching speeds of 7 kilometers per hour, this robotic system is armed with a Zastava M86 machine gun and an M11 grenade launcher. Its surveillance technology includes thermal imaging cameras and a laser rangefinder with a range of up to 2,000 meters. Milos N is designed for reconnaissance, target elimination, and autonomous battlefield support, with potential upgrades including anti-tank missiles and electronic warfare modules. Russia is also accelerating the integration of robotic systems into its military with Varon, a tracked robotic platform built for assault support and infantry assistance. Varon features a remotely controlled D2 turret, compatible with various Kalashnikov machine guns with an engagement range of 100 to 800 meters. It has an operational range of 15 kilometers and a high payload capacity, capable of carrying over 1.5 tons of equipment. Its modular design allows for the installation of electronic warfare and reconnaissance systems, enhancing battlefield effectiveness while reducing human risk. What do you think was the most impressive innovation at IDEX 2025? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates from BioInfo. See you next time.